girlies, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sharing my new finds that I found from Sephora. As you can see, there's a bag back there too. I have lots of new things that I'm going to share with you in today's beauty haul. So I just recently did some damage on finding some new makeup because I just wanted to start playing with a few different things. I'm going to show you some of my holy grail items, and then I'm going to talk about some of the new things that I maybe just wanted to try out just to play because I've heard like good reviews or they just like caught my eye. So I want to talk to you first about some of the things that I'm newly wearing on my face. So let's talk about the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. So this is for that superstar youth glow, it says. I was told you can apply it a few different ways. Today I ended up doing my makeup. I used this after I did my primer. I applied this kind of in my highlighted regions. It gives you like a nice filter and kind of like a sheeny glow. I did it along my cheekbones, and then I just did it basically down the center of my face. So I got this in the shade 2. It's called Light Clair, and it gave you like that youthful little glow without feeling like caked on or super powdery or flaking. I just really liked it, and I think it's in a super pretty bottle. I have a new foundation that I wanted to try out, and I also have that on today as well, and it's from NARS. This is the Sheer Glow Foundation. I have it in shade Light 2, which is called Monte Blanc. I really have been liking this. I've been using this like for the past few days now, and I actually really have been loving it. I really feel like this has been giving me like a flawless finish, and it's not sinking into my creases and pores. The next product, this is another Charlotte Tilbury. I told you I had a lot of those. I have the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. So again, just looking at the casing, it's rose gold. It's super like little and sleek. Like I just love it. Oh my gosh, guys, like I am kind of like a baker. So I usually will do my foundation and concealer, and then I will use the Laura Mercier setting powder underneath my eyes. Well, I don't know what it is, if I've been using too much powder, if it's my foundation, the concealer, if my skin is just changing. I just feel like lately it has been sinking into my fine lines, and I don't want that because let's be real, we all want to look as young as we possibly can for as long as we can. I got the lightest one that they have. It is in number 1 Fair, and it's basically just like a simple translucent powder. I've been using this with a brush, like after I do my concealer like normal. I've just been taking a small fluff brush, and I've been getting some on there, and then I kind of do like a little bit of a pat, and then I like sweep it underneath the eye. But this baby, oh my gosh, it feels so satiny smooth. And lastly, out of my new products that I am currently wearing, let's talk about some lips. I'm wearing, again, Charlotte Tilbury, go figure, but I got the Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk. I have heard so many things about the shade Pillow Talk that I was just like, okay, I gotta jump on the bandwagon, and I'm getting it. So I have the Lip Cheat here that I'm actually wearing. I did buy the Pillow Talk in the actual lipstick as well, but today I'm wearing it with a different shade. This is Charlotte Tilbury as well, and it is from Hot Lips. First of all, I love the packaging. It just slides right out, and look at how stinking cute this tube is. Oh my gosh, I love it because I love me some leopard, and it's red, and it's just super sassy. This is a super natural to neutral pink shade, as you can see. I love this color though, and that's why I lined it with the Pillow Talk, because I feel like that had just a little extra like deeper mauviness to it, but it's still natural, but it didn't wash my lips out completely. This lipstick definitely has a more creamy sheen texture to it, which I love because my lips always feel like they're drying out. I think it's because I'm always wearing lipstick, so I really like the formula of this. Also, the girl showed me how to do it while I was at Sephora, but I don't want to mess it up right now because it's brand new. Supposedly in these new Hot Lips, basically once you're done with this lipstick, you're able to pop out the color and you can get a replacement. So it's cheaper, and you can still have this fun, cute case to keep it in. Oh my goodness, okay, just kidding, lies. I have one more product on my face that I'm wearing right now, and again, it's Charlotte Tilbury, and it's the Film Star Bronze and Glow. This case is inspired by like the old cigarette cases that they used to use like back in the day. Just look at how like Art Deco this case looks. Like, I just think it's so pretty and so like vintage inspired, and I just really, really enjoy it. So this is the highlight and this is the bronzing. I'm not gonna lie, when I first was looking at it in the store, I was kind of like, the bronzing doesn't really look like it's gonna bronze too well. But I used it today and you can definitely see some definitions, especially in like the hollow of my cheek and then like on the outer corners of my nose. It definitely gives you more of a muted definition though. So if you're looking for just a soft, subtle kind of contour look, this is really nice. It comes in another kit as well where it's definitely like a darker bronze and then the highlight is more of like a corally peach. Okay, and now we can get to all the new things that I still have in here. Like, holy, I got lots of things to share with you. Just going shopping right now. We have a little eyelash kit that I got from Tarte. How fun is this tube though? So it's coral and then it has like purple stars on the cap. This is one of my Holy Grail products. This is from Sephora and is one of their normal eyeliner pencils. It's waterproof and it is in the color called Coconut. So as you can see, this is like a nude shade. I love to use this pencil on my bottom waterline because I just feel like it makes your eyes look even bigger. Another Holy Grail product for my hair, especially when I curl my hair. So this is from Bumble and Bumble and is the Preta powder. It's basically dry shampoo and a style extender. So I love using this and this thing lasts forever. And I told you I bought the Pillow Talk in the lipstick. So again, her lipstick packaging is super adorable as well. It's a soft mauve nude pink. Super natural because I love to have like a pink tone on like pretty much every day. Obviously, y'all know I love me some pink, but it's more of a brown pink. And you know what? Let's just stick on all of the lipsticks that I got. And these are actually the Hollywood liquid lips. I've actually tested out all of these over the past few days, and I definitely will say that they are on the creamier side, which I really like. And they do last like all day. The only thing that I've noticed while wearing is that I feel like we all get that even with regular lipsticks. We'll get like that inner lip line where it's just like after you've had it on for a few to several hours, it's kind of just like gunks up there, you know? I will say that I felt like I noticed that more intensely with these liquid lips. So the first one that's up is Pin Up Pink. It comes with this like doe little foot applicator, but if you can see, it has like that cutout. So it just forms your lip super easily and it just applies so nicely. So here is the Pin Up Pink. Obviously it's a super pink color. It kind of has like a brick undertone to the pink though as well. So if that's a shade in that family that you kind of like, then I would recommend this one. The next one I got is Too Bad I'm Bad. So as you can see, this is definitely getting a little bit more corally. It has a little more hues of red in there. Lastly is Showgirl. So it's a nice plum shade. It is on the darker side, so it's definitely like a more glam standout lip, but I think they're absolutely stunning. Oh, don't you worry. I got plenty more inside of here. One of the things that I absolutely love that I don't buy as frequently as I probably should is the Beauty Blender Cleanser. This is in the solid form. I've never tried it in the liquid. They last so much longer if you take care of them properly. Let's talk about some eyebrows, shall we? So you all know, if you've watched my eyebrow tutorial before, you know I love Anastasia products for my brows. Bam, here we go. I'm restocking on some of my Holy Grail products. I love this pencil stick because I feel like it highlights your brow and your brow bone so much more intensely. It has a metallic end right here on this side, and then over on this side it's a matte nude shade. Honestly, like if you get any little mess up as you're trying to create your perfect brow, you can clean it up with this, and I just love this thing so much. And then in this little baby is two of my favorite products. So I love that it came in a little set. This is the clear setting gel, and I use that every single time after I draw my brow. I love the Brow Wiz pencil. You have a skinny little pencil on the one end, and then you have the brow brush on the other. So it's easy to just like draw it on there, get those lines in, and then you can like fluff it and like fade it out with the brush. I spoke to you all before about my favorite primer, and it is from Tatcha. So this is the Silk Canvas Primer, and it is Filter Finish Protective Primer. This is my Holy Grail primer. Right now, I'm currently using the Hourglass Veil Primer. I like that for summer because it does have the SPF in it. And it honestly does leave your skin feeling nice, silky, and smooth. But if you're looking for a primer that like takes away your pores and it really helps make your makeup stick to the primer and not sink into your face, let's talk about lining those beautiful eyes of yours. So I will admit I've done plenty of makeup tutorials now where you'll see me using both a regular pencil liner and then a liquid eyeliner. I do like to use a pencil eyeliner first to just draw on the line. I like to smudge it out, give it a little bit of that smoke or take down the like intensity of the blackness. Favorite is from Kat Von D. This is the tattoo liner. I've been using it for years. It comes in a super fine felt tip pen and it just glides right on along the eye. You're able to get a perfect cat eye with this. It stays on all day and it doesn't flake or anything like that. It's a really good eyeliner. And now to get those beautiful lashes, one of my favorite mascaras is from Hourglass. It is the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. It comes in this awesome gold little tube. It's super convenient. Like it just feels nice in your hand because it's like this little triangle shape and it just fits nicely between your fingers. The brush is super nice. It's kind of like a normal brush and then it tapers at the end. So it's nice and easy to get into the inner and outer corners of your lashes to get like every single lash. You probably feel like I had Mary Poppins bag and this is never ending. I have another Charlotte Tilbury and this is the Glowgasm in the Beauty Light Wand. So another highlighter. I know I'm obsessed. I can never have enough highlight. These are my absolute favorite products. This is the Goldgasm. Basically you pull it off, you just twist this open and then it puts out some of the product right there. You can see right there the product that already came out on my hand. This just gives a beautiful little glow to it. I feel like my ring light is probably like not doing this justice right now. It's probably blurring it out, but it is just super pretty. And I feel like especially for summer, getting that like golden glow, I think this is super, super nice. So I hope you found some new beauty products that you might want to try out or maybe that you already use. The things that I've already tested out, I honestly have actually loved. I'll have everything listed below. If you enjoyed this beauty haul, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, you can find me at Lace Love and Laura over there as well. That way you can see all of the inspo that I bring to you on the daily. If you want some more beauty inspiration, check these videos out right over here. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. That way you are always notified every time I upload a video. So until next time, stay sweet sunshines.